To make a Cat6 network cable, you will need the following three items: a length of Cat6 cable, an RJ45 crimping tool, an RJ45 or 8P8C modular connector. Creating a Cat6 network cable is a simple 8-step process. Step 1. Use the crimping tool to strip the outside layer of the cable. Step 2. Separate the paired wires until you have 8 individual wires. Step 3. Place the individual wires in the following order, starting from the left: orange and white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, brown. This color order is known as 568B. Step 4. Bunch the wires together, maintaining the correct color order. Step 5. Trim the wires so that they are even. Step 6. Slide the wires into the RJ45 modular connector, maintaining the correct color order. Step 7. Use the crimping tool to crimp the RJ45 modular connector. Step 8. Verify that the modular connector is securely in place by tugging on it. Use an Ethernet cable tester to confirm all connections are secure. If you are making a straight-through network cable, repeat all of the steps on the other end of the cable. If you are making a crossover network cable, use the same steps but change the color order of the wires to the 568A standard on the other end of the cable: green and white, green, orange and white, blue, blue and white, orange, brown and white, brown. Visit EthernetCable.com to help you with all your Ethernet cable needs.